I gotta start this somewhere. Today is, I don't know what day it is. 8 Sunday, 2019, 321. There's a good number. And the other phone looks like that. Okay, see that? Great. Now, I bought this at Micro Center. That's microcenter1word.com. Okay. Anyway, this is my, and I bought, I'll show you this, right nice and close. So that's what I bought, those two right there. Okay. And I bought them on sale because this one is what, the this was 129 bucks. I got it for, $15 less. So there's that one, but this is the one I'm going to open in this video. So this one don't have a price tag on it, but it looks like that, this, that, and it's all happily sealed with the doohickey and another doohickey at the bottom and all that. So since they put them in these nice little things, I thought I'd get out my X-Acto knife and open it up, because I need to start backing up stuff as I have everything, and I'm using this computer right here, which is a Windows 7 Ultimate, and I have three laptops, two desktops, but only two of the, see here, this desktop and the Dell laptop running Windows 7. Everything else is running Windows 10. But those three that are running Windows 10 are the free upgrade version. Okay, so I've never had a. By the way, this is the inside of this here. So there's that, and here's the for Australia only. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it's for Australia only. And then we've got this and that, and it comes with expansion portable drive for your PC. So it's like, if you can't understand how to do that, well, you're in the wrong business. Okay, so there's that. And go to Seagate, well here. Okay, there we go. So there, can I hold it level? Alright, so whoops. That's it. That's the instructions. Okay. And what's in the box is another bunch more plastic. So we have to that's looped around that way. I guess it comes from the bottom. Okay, so there we go. Loop it from the bottom. It's got that like that. Okay. And then here's the happy little thing. That's a really small thing. Easy to lose. Oh boy, we're going to have to figure out some place to keep this, as it's so small and practically the same size as a laptop thing. So we take this here and slide it out, and we've got oh, it's one of these. Oh, great. It's one of these different styled. It's not a USB micro. It's not like the one that plugs into my phone that has just a single doohickey. It's one of these that plugs into my old phone that has a double doohickey. Okay, see, that's got a double doohickey. All right. Anyway, so just initially, just for giggles, we'll just stick this in here. I mean, I really should plug this into the back port of my computer, but I'm going to, because I have it handy, or I make it handy, have it handy. Let's see here. So here's my, so I'm always, because my camera broke, I'm always using one of these. But anyway, so just take this and shove it in here for the first time. And then if I move it up to, let's see the screen. Does anything happen on the screen? Does something light up? Yeah, there it goes. It's spinning. I can feel it. I know you can't. Oh, there's a light. Yay. open folder to view files. And let me just manhandle the camera here. And let's see here. So we've got, there are the folders that came with it. Well, that's the best I can do. Alright, so there it is. That's my, whoa, where'd it go? That's my review of that thing there. That's the folders it comes in, that like that. I'm just gonna go back, here, let's white out because I don't want to ruin this thing. Okay, so just, okay, that's good. I just go down here and I'm going to remove this item. It should be eject device, Seagate expansion drive K. So hit that. That should go away. It did. That's flashing. It should stop spinning. There, it stopped spinning. Yay. Okay. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. So I know it works. Good deal. But I'm going to do my backing up of stuff later. Like I said, this is a 2 gigabyte deal. 2 gigabyte deal, and I'm going to, anyway. Alright, see you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Got many more things to do. Alright, where's the off button? Here's the off button. Bye-bye.